If we wanted to put an end once and for all to the debate over the alleged faking of the Apollo 11 landing and debunk the myth of a Hollywood studio set, we'd have to look not at NASA, but at its sworn enemy at the time, the Soviet Union. Remember, this was the height of the Cold War, and the space race was a ruthless struggle for dominance. Soviet listening stations, equipped with powerful radars and telescopes, tracked every single maneuver of the Americans with surgical precision. If the Apollo mission's radio and TV signals weren't coming from the moon's surface, but from a hidden transmitter in Nevada, Moscow would have detected the deception immediately and, with great satisfaction, exposed the lie to the world. Yet the Soviets officially acknowledged the failure, which stands as the strongest political proof of the event's authenticity. If we're looking for physical proof that's still there and works, we have to point to the so-called retroreflectors, special sets of mirrors that astronauts placed by hand on the lunar surface. These devices allow scientists at any observatory on Earth to aim a laser at a specific spot on the moon and measure the time it takes for the beam to return, which is used to precisely study the distance between our worlds. This is an experiment that can be repeated every day, and it would be impossible if humans hadn't physically placed these instruments in exactly the right coordinates. Modern technology has also given us undeniable visual proof through the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, or LRO, which has been orbiting the moon for years and photographing its surface in high resolution. In these images, we can see not only the modules left behind by successive missions, casting long shadows, but also abandoned scientific equipment, rovers, and even clear tracks made by astronauts' boots, which, in the vacuum of space, will remain untouched for thousands of years. The ultimate proof, however, lies in geological material. 382 kilograms of rocks brought back to Earth, analyzed by thousands of independent laboratories around the world. Lunar samples have a unique chemical structure, are completely devoid of water, and bear microscopic impact marks from meteorites, something impossible to fake under Earth conditions. Maintaining a lie that involved over 400,000 people without a single leak for more than half a century would have been a logistical challenge far greater than actually building a rocket and flying to the moon.